Energy efficiency has become a top priority for homeowners in Melville, where seasonal temperature swings and high energy bills are common concerns. One of the most effective yet often overlooked ways to improve a home's energy performance is by upgrading old, inefficient doors. A professional door replacement not only enhances comfort and style but also significantly reduces energy waste. Here's how expert installation makes a measurable difference in your home's efficiency and overall value. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. Older doors often develop gaps, warping, or cracks around their frames over time. These small imperfections allow outside air to seep into your home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. A professional door replacement ensures a perfect fit, using precision measurements and expert sealing techniques to eliminate air leaks. Modern doors come with high-quality weather stripping and insulated cores designed to block drafts effectively. When installed by professionals, every edge and hinge aligns perfectly, minimizing heat loss in winter and keeping cool air in during summer. The result? A noticeable improvement in indoor comfort and reduced strain on your heating and cooling systems. Upgrading to energy-efficient materials. Professional door replacement services offer a wide selection of energy-efficient materials that outperform traditional wood or hollow core doors. Options such as fiberglass, steel, and insulated composite doors are engineered with thermal barriers that reduce heat transfer. For example, fiberglass doors mimic the look of wood but are resistant to warping and provide excellent insulation. Steel doors often feature foam insulation cores, making them among the most energy-efficient options on the market. Composite materials combine durability and insulation, ensuring both energy savings and longevity. When you work with an experienced installer, they can recommend the best material for Melville's local climate, ensuring maximum performance year-round. Precision installation for optimal sealing. Even the most energy-efficient door will underperform if installed incorrectly. Poor alignment, uneven frames, or gaps between the jamb and the wall can all lead to air infiltration and energy loss. Professional installers use laser-level tools and advanced techniques to ensure that your new door sits perfectly within the frame, creating an airtight seal. In Melville's humid summers and chilly winters, this precision installation is crucial. It prevents condensation and mold growth, protects your home from water damage, and maintains stable indoor temperatures without overworking your HVAC system. Enhanced glass and glazing options. Many modern entry and patio doors feature decorative glass panels or sidelights. While beautiful, these glass areas can become weak points in insulation if not properly designed. Professional door replacement services offer low emissivity, low-E glass, double or triple pane glazing, and argon gas fills to improve insulation while maintaining aesthetic appeal. These advanced glass options reduce heat transfer, block harmful UV rays, and help maintain a consistent indoor climate. Over time, this leads to measurable energy savings, particularly during peak heating and cooling months in Melville. Long-term energy and cost savings. A properly installed, energy-efficient door can lower your energy consumption by up to 15% annually. While the initial investment may seem significant, homeowners quickly recoup the cost through lower utility bills and increased home value. Additionally, professional door replacements often come with warranties that protect your investment for years to come, ensuring lasting energy performance and peace of mind. Many Melville homeowners also find that replacing old doors complements other energy-saving upgrades, such as improved insulation or new windows, creating a comprehensive solution for lower energy costs and a more sustainable home. Improving comfort and curb appeal. Beyond energy efficiency, professional door replacement transforms the overall look and feel of your home. Modern doors are designed not only to perform but also to impress. With customizable colors, finishes, and decorative accents, you can enhance curb appeal while improving interior comfort. A stylish, well-insulated door makes your home more inviting, quieter, and better protected from the elements. Final thoughts: investing in professional door replacement for your Melville home is one of the smartest ways to boost energy efficiency and long-term savings. From precise installation and superior materials to advanced insulation and sealing, every aspect contributes to a more comfortable and eco-friendly living space. If your current doors show signs of wear, drafts, or outdated materials, now is the perfect time to upgrade. Partnering with experienced door replacement experts ensures that your investment not only enhances your home's appearance but also delivers measurable energy savings for years to come.